Doing the house chores is a very difficult job, especially if you are suffering from sensitive skin. Some household cleaning products may cause your hands itchy, cracked or red. Here are the 5 important steps that you can do to protect your sensitive hands during house cleaning. First, read the label to avoid the products that contain ingredients you've had a reaction before. Second, follow the instruction in label to use products for best results. Third, do not mix the cleaning products as they may turn toxic and dangerous. Fourth, don't forget to wash your hands after cleaning to remove any chemical residue on your skin. Lastly, wear gloves to protect your skin from direct contact with chemical products. If your skin is allergic to rubber gloves, you may want to give nitrile gloves a try, as they do not contain latex protein and are suitable for sensitive skin. If you are looking for skin-friendly gloves for your daily house chores, find us in Shopee and Lazada now. We have nitrile gloves that not only work great on sensitive hands, they also last longer and work excellent on a wide range of chemicals, greases and oil. Chat with us in our online store and we are ready to help.